Okay, so first off, I don't know if you can really tell, but it is snowing. Let's see here. Let's see if I can open the door. Let's see if you can tell a bit better. You can see a little bit of snowflakes, but it's snowing pretty good, especially for northern Mississippi. But other than that, and it being very cold, we have the backsplash installed right there. The glass subway tiles. Really good job. I gotta get an outlet cover for that. The other one's good. We've got all the hardware on the cabinets. I finished drilling these holes, that one, and one more to go ahead and put the knobs on there. The plumbing underneath the sink, I just finished. So we're good there. I do have to buy a cord for that range. And then we've got the shower glass installed along with the hardware. And then I put the toilet in yesterday. Got all the plumbing finished in here. So this is the shower wall. And then if you step in, you've got the rainfall shower head, and we've got some paint, as you can tell up here, and I've got trim work to put around the window there. But this is a pretty cool little gadget here. So yeah, nervous and excited for when they turn the water on. All the plumbing should be done, and then we got this new mirror as we explained last time, so I put a patch over the hole. I've just got to wait for it to dry, and then I've got to mud it and then paint it, and then that little hole right there as well. But that's basically where we're at right now. Just a lot of painting. And my dog, hey Remy, he's just watching the snow. We don't get it much here. But yeah, so that's where we're at. There's the barn door hardware, or two of the three that'll go in front of, turn the slide on, in front of the bathroom door, and then our closet doors. Now, McAllister's closet is going to be very basic, but ours, which is here, is going to be very interesting. I think we're planning on going to IKEA and seeing what we can do to maximize that small space for all of my clothes and Samantha's clothes. That's a long time coming. Not really. This is going to be very soon before we move in. But yeah, so that's it. Kitchen's coming along. I've got to finish this. I've got another cabinet, as you can see, in the bedroom that needs to be installed. I have to put the hardware on that one too. And then paint this, put in the refrigerator, and then we gotta find some bar stools. Last couple of days, we have decided to go ahead and start moving into our tiny home, even though, as you can tell, right there and there, and some other spots, we haven't finished the house really. But I'll give you a tour of what it looks like with some of the stuff in it, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is the kitchen. So our two pendants there. We went with the white everything, the black knobs and the slate appliances. But we've got, as small as it is, and we've got some work we've got to do here that we haven't finished. But as small as it is, it's got tons of storage in this place. The fridge is more than we need, and then here is the sink. Pretty big, deep sink. Oh look, there you go, just for the holidays. It is Christmas Eve, I guess we'll say. Then we've got the glass subway tiles, and then our Keurig barely fit under here. But anyways, other than that, you've got the living room here. These are our couches from the other house. They're not quite fit in with the color scheme we've got going, but for now they'll have to do. We've got to get like a little bench thing here to hide the equipment. But the good thing is we knew we was gonna put the TVs, so we went ahead and installed. Those are HDMI ports, and then power outlets, and then it goes up behind here, and there's other ports and stuff, so that there's no cords. And some boxes, and then you'll see Remy. Here's his dog bed, and there's where he's sleeping. He's tired, but got pictures. I brought over a lot of pictures today. We're gonna have some pictures here and then on this wall, but hopefully sometime towards the end of the year, whatever, I'll have some artwork that I've done hanging right there. Then we've got our bathroom here. So it's got the shower. We've got some little work to do, some touch-up paint for some stuff that I had to fill in the hole with some sheetrock. And then you got McAllister's playing his Oculus. We've moved his bed, but this is our bedroom as it is right now. Teeny tiny. So yeah, but I put in the closet rods today. Whoops. Turn the light on. So what we're gonna do here is, well, we gotta finish painting the ceiling. But then right here in this corner, all the way down where the laundry basket is to the top, will be cubicles. And then the same with under here, so we can put our shoes where all this stuff is right now. So, fully moved in. We stayed last night, the first night, so it's fully functional. We just got a little bit more work to do. We're gonna put blinds on these rectangle windows too. We're gonna order those. So hey, Remy. Say hey, everybody. Hey, everybody, it's Christmas Eve, and we're still doing some housework. Samantha's actually gone to get some things from the other house to move in. Went ahead and hooked up the dryer and the washing machine and started doing some laundry, some towels from all the rain, and having to clean the dog as we take him out. Because we don't have our fence built yet, so we have to take him out and walk him around until he does what he's got to do, and then come back in. But not much really has been done since the last video. I'll kind of show you what has been done inside the house and show you what we've got going on today before we go spend time with the family. Okay, not much has been done inside the house. Like Remy's checking out what's going on there. Got a little fire going. Really the only thing that has been done is this little towel rod. Let me take this. Not towel, what am I talking about? Napkin rod. That is it. This, I'll walk around the corner, looks exactly like our door handles for our sliding doors. See, there and there. Very convenient whenever we get our bar stools. Just sit here, pass me a napkin. Okay, just pull it. There you go. But other than that, and there's that nifty thing in the works. Oh yeah, let me show you. While I was at work for a little bit today, they made sugar cookies in the shape of none other than Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse's head. And something, I don't really know what went wrong there. His ear's gone. Oh no! But today, I am going to make the ever famous Ritz crackers with peanut butter and white chocolate things. So I'll just take the Ritz crackers, slap some peanut butter in between the two, melt down this chocolate, cover it up, and then there's sprinkles somewhere. Sometimes we'll put sprinkles on some, and some we'll just leave plain. This is something that I do every Christmas. And if I do say so myself, they are delicious. And I'm watching one of the greatest movies ever, Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. If you make it, they will come and eat it and leave none for me to take home, which is sad. But it's always baseball season here in the Braden house. All right, so there's been a little bit that we've done since we've moved in. Like for instance, I have put up these nice little hooks for our towels. And then I have put up this shelf that Samantha bought. And we've got to get some more somethings to organize all of this and just put whatever we got to put up there. And then the other day I bought the LED conversions for the can lights. You can see those two there. And then we've got those two there and those two there. Now I still lack the two in the bathroom, which will be the same as the living room. And then I've got two in the closet, one in McAllister's and one in ours. And then for the bedrooms, there'll be four. As you can see, I am going to put the LED lights like the living room, except they will be Alexa enabled, or you can use your phone to change the color of the light, as well as turn it off and turn it on just by saying so. Because who likes to get in the bed and then realize that they forgot to turn the light switch off? Not me. But anyways, that's where we're at now. I have finished taking the last load of stuff to the dump that was left over from cleaning. I've got the washer and dryer that was left at this house that a buddy of mine wants for parts. And yeah, so we'll finish that up. We got a little bit more to move over. Hopefully wrap that up this weekend before we close on the house.
Hey, it's present day Samantha here. When we decided to film our tiny house renovation series, we actually had no idea what we were doing. Shocker, right? Our filming was all over the place and not all that consistent. We had no plan. It wasn't until that we were basically done and moved in with the tiny house renovation series that we started piecing these videos together. And that is what you would know as the first 5 vlogs there is today. With that said, we wish we would have filmed more of the renovation process. At that time, we had never put out a YouTube video, and we honestly did not put out a YouTube video for over a year later. We had plans to start our YouTube channel, and that is one of the reasons that we wanted to film. Those were the kind of videos that I enjoyed watching, and we wanted to film that process basically for us, but also we thought maybe some of you would enjoy it. No matter what, we wanted to put these videos out so we could look back on them for years to come. We started this process in June of 2019. We moved in the week of Christmas that year. We have been living in this tiny house for over a year now. We actually recently put a video out talking about if we think tiny house living is worth it. 1 year later. That is linked here. We have so many projects that we still need to do. We're actually filming one this weekend. It is a very much needed renovation that we have been putting off for so long. That video will be out in a few short weeks. We hope you continue to follow along with our tiny house renovation series. We thank you for giving us so much love from all the other parts of this series. With that said, guys, I hope you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and give us a comment and let us know what you most enjoyed about this part of the renovation series. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys!